Today, we're going to do a quiz on vocabulary. Let's start. Question 1. What are you going to do when you school? A. Conclude. B. End. C. Complete. D. Leave. The correct answer is D. Leave. We say leave school, not complete or end school. Question 2. Jane cried out at the beautiful present Mr. Jill gave her. A. Depress. B. Horror. C. Anger. D. Delight. The correct answer is D. Delight. A beautiful present makes us feel happy and delighted. Question 3. The fans climbed over the fence to paying. A. Avoid. B. Prevent. C. Abandon. D. Refuse. The correct answer is A. Avoid. Avoid means to try not to do something. Question 4. Have you seen a mug anywhere? We seem to be 1. Short. B. Missed. C. Less. D. Under. The correct answer is A. Short. 1 short means 1 is missing. Question 5. If you put your money in the bank, it will earn 10%. A. Interest. B. Profit. C. Deposit. D. Investment. The correct answer is A. Interest. Banks pay interest on your money. Final question. The government should a law to make computer hacking illegal. A. Allow. B. Enter. C. Pass. D. Bring. The correct answer is C. Pass. Governments pass laws. Great job, everyone! How many answers did you get right? Keep practicing your vocabulary, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!